On this extremely quick Lyft app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your ride history in the app. Now this is super quick and easy to do, going to be a very straightforward video. All you're going to do is click the icon in the upper left hand corner, then click ride history. Once you do, boom, you can see the current ride history. This is mine right now, of course. I'm going out and everything. It is that simple. Now, there are a couple features within this. One, I can click each individual ride, see exactly when I took off, exactly when I got there or whatever. I can see the exact map and path we took, of course, the pricing breakdown, and more. The second feature is the tabs. So you can see pretty much all of them, personal and business. Now, this might only be relevant for about 5 or 10% of people watching this video, but it is a great feature because for most people, all of your rides, that's pretty much it. That's probably why you're watching this video. However, let's say you work for a company or whatever, and they reimburse you for Lyft rides. You can see you have personal, which is all your personal rides. Then you have a business tab. This is nice. So let's say you're taking Lyfts for just personal reasons, going out or whatever. But then let's say you have to take Lyfts for a client site or something like that. You can have a separation of personal and business. That way, let's say you're ever taking a ride, like I said, to a client site or wherever, and it's a business-related expense, you could put it and mark it as business. That way, later on, let's say if you're talking to your company and you need to get reimbursed for that ride, it's very seamless to pull up that tab, hit business, and be like, oh, just letting you know, these are all the business rides I've taken that are expenses that I need to get reimbursed for.